morning. We're jogging now. Balik Alindog program. So I'm here at Talawang Lake for morning jog. Daming tao. And dami ding food. Look at the sunset, the sunrise. Very cool. And there are a lot of food options here. Tas ang daming tao because it's Saturday, so meron pang pa water station. There you go. So
กันด้วยทุกทานเด้อสบายดีทุกทานเนาะสามารถถ่ายรูปกันได้เด้อเนาะอยู่ที่จุดจอดของพวกเราสามารถถ่ายรูปได้เลยและทุกบางท่านแล้วคนบอกว่าอุ้ยแล่นไปเห็นสนามจำลองเขาแล้วเนาะขึ้นใจงานมาลงทะเบียนทดลองครับทันทีเลยเนาะดังนั้นแล้วเนาะท่านไหนอยากจะทดลองแบบนี้ข้าพเจ้ายินดีเนาะเชิญชวนทุกทานมากันได้เลยสบายดีเจ้าสบายดี
the concert something. Summers by. I don't know. Kayo na bahala. It's a concert ground. May concert dito. May pakulo. Kailan kaya to? I think parang may entrance ata dito. Summersby. Ganda ng ganda ng stage. Napakalaki nung stage. Oh, sabi niya chill daw. Ito yung stage nila, napakalaki. Summersby concert. Ayan, so mainit na. Labas na yung haring araw. So mainit na siya. So I'll go home now. I'm done for today. So hopefully I lose weight today. So that's it. So I will see you on my next Team Kalabasa. First time makakain ng steam kalabasa. Usually for ulam to sa kanila steam nila. Matamis, sarap. It's night time. I jog. Night jogging. So this is like a new place. This used to be like super dark, and now dami ng mga ilaw, tapos dami ng mga tindera, and buhay na siya. Unlike before, this used to be like super dark kasi walang mga street lights, and now they install a lot of street lights like all over this lake. And yeah, so it's a new environment, or it's a new place talaga. And as you can see, may maraming, actually kanina maraming mga tao dito, but now nagsiuwian na sila because it's almost 8 PM. So look at this, may mga sellers, dami pa rin mga nagja-jogging kanina. Fresh drinks. Hello. How much is this?
Mix 40,000, 30,000.
For mix.
Yes.
Okay. Mix fruits and vegetable. Fresh juice, no sugar is 40,000. How much? 10,000. Okay. 10,000 good for the water. Very relaxing, very calming lang talaga siya. The vibe is very sabay-sabay. Chart camp. O diba? Napaka na ang liwanag na dito, and they created the business opportunities for the locals. No? It's so nice and so authentic yung mga ganitong style ng store. Ganda. That's the newest theme park. I don't know. Kasi may mga ride siya, may mga tawag nito? I don't know, basta may mga ano siya, may mga rides siya. Just look at this. Diba? I miss being child. Or I miss. Oh, hindi lang pala pang bata, meron ding ano, feeling bata. Yan si ate, oh, feeling bata. Oh, isa din to. Feeling bata, laki-laki na. Hindi. So pwedeng ano, banding for mga babies. Mga banding ng mga mag-ate, mga banding ng mga magkakapatid, mga tatay, nanay. Golf cart. O hindi siya golf cart. It's a cart. Look at them. They're enjoying. Yan, si kuya, oh. Oh, si kuya. So pwede rin pala siya, not only for child but also for childish. Uy. Look, super cute. Super nice. So ayun, I'm going home now. I'm done jogging. I did 2 laps. So this whole laps is inside is like 5.5 kilometers. I think one lap. So I did 2 laps. So 10 kilometers for today's video. So hopefully I lose weight. And hey guys, so we found a new friend here, a new little friend here. He is hiding here, so you can see this is our new little friend. Hello, new little friend. Hello. So look at this new little friend.